Chris here with a very cool device. Yes, pun intended. This is the Flextail Evo Icer. It is an outdoor portable ice maker, and what it can do with its 200 watt-hour battery is produce in just 9 minutes 12 ice cubes. And then the subsequent batches, well, it will take just 5 minutes more to produce another 12 ice cubes. Just to point out that yes, this is a sponsored video from me, but I agreed to it because I really wanted to get my hands on a portable ice making machine like this. So included with our Evo Icer, you will find a 120 watt power supply and a Type-C to Type-C cable. This can also be used to charge the ice maker. So it's a nice compact design that the Evo Icer does have, and it's very portable too, lightweight. It's only 9 kilos, so that's just over 20 pounds. It will run for up to 3 hours. So it's going to be ideal for camping or taking it down to the beach where I have it at the moment. So it's currently 31 degrees. It's hot. I'm sweating. Let's see how it produces ice in these conditions. Okay, so I've just heard the motor slow down and it's about to tip out the ice cube. So that's my first batch right there that did take around about 9 minutes to do this. So as you can see, we've got the relatively small sized ice cubes, as you can see here, but each of the subsequent batches will improve because that water is getting colder. And don't forget, it's 31 degrees at the moment, and I'm in the sun, so these ice cubes are melting quicker than I can film. Now it's just finished making its second batch of ice cubes. Let's have a look at them. So they're bullet-sized ice cubes, you can see right there, but these are bigger than the first batch. So that then took about 5 minutes. It's getting quite quick now. Now it doesn't waste the water, so when those ice cubes have been made, all 12 of them, they then drop into the container right here, which can hold quite a lot. That's 12 cups in there. And then the water filters through with the water tank at the bottom is going to keep reusing that water. This Flextail Evo Icer will also let you know when you need to add more water on the screen or if the ice is full. And the water, you just top it up right here. So you press and that opens up, and then you just proceed to pour the water in, and you can measure that at the bottom with the tank to tell whether it is filled up to the max or not. So we've got the 3 modes with it here. Eco mode, that's if you want to get the 3 hours running off that battery. You got the quick mode, so that will be the first batch in 9 minutes, then each subsequent batch will be the 5 minutes. Cup mode here, and this is how you can measure out precise cups, so that is very handy. And this is just to add your cups or take away from the cups here, the plus and minus buttons here. We have our power on button, our battery gauge, and you can see at the moment there's a little animation. Now the screen is flickering, it's only on camera, it doesn't do that in person. And you can see right here, hopefully that's coming through, that it does state here that it is a quick ice making at the moment, is the mode that I am using. Now just in through the top here, you can see inside there the tray that fills full of water, and then where the element goes inside, and it has those 12 points where you're going to form, of course, the ice for your bullet-sized ice cubes. Now there is a fan right here that of course is part of the process here with the refrigerant inside. Now they're using a very safe refrigerant. It's a R290 refrigerant, which is green, and it's meant to be leak-free so it doesn't leak out and escape that gas. Now here you'll see that we do have our power. So this is to charge the 200 watt-hour battery, and we also do have a Type-C port. So it does permit Type-C charging, which is great. So what about the noise? Now they say it should be about 48 decibels, around 50 decibels or less. And at the moment, yes, you can hear it. It's making a bit of a vibration noise because I do have it placed on some stones here. So if it's not on the stones, it won't be quite as loud as that. There's a vent here at the bottom and a button for the clean mode, which is going to rinse it out. It does it about 5 times, fills the tray and just flushes everything out. And then the drain mode. So draining it is simple. It's just one touch. So tap here on the button. It starts to drain the water out of the drain hole here. And then we have that one touch cleaning mode too as well, which you use the same button. Included with our Evo Icer, we do have an ice scoop. So that makes it easier to get those bullet-shaped ice cubes out. Now I've run it through probably about 4 cycles now. Those ice cubes, you can see now, they are a lot larger. So it's just that first batch where they are reasonably thin. And from then onwards, it starts to improve. Now, if you do add water that is already cool, you won't have that issue. Now, indoors here, where my ambient temperatures are now 21 to 22 degrees Celsius, I have noticed that the ice bullets here do come out quite a bit thicker compared to when I was doing it outdoors where it was 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. So there we go, that is the Flextail Evo Icer portable ice making machine. Because it's got that battery that's 200 watt hours, it will run for up to 3 hours. You've got the 3 ice making modes, so the quick mode, eco mode, and the cups mode too, which can measure it out. So it's only 9 minutes to get those 12 ice cubes, and then after 5 minutes, it will produce in the quick mode another 12 ice cubes, and it keeps doing that. The colder the water starts getting, the better those ice cubes start to get from the initial first batch, as I did show you. So it has food grade safe plastics for human consumption, so you can consume the water from this, that it's not toxic. And of course, it's using an eco-friendly refrigerant in it, which is the R291, and it's supposed to be sealed, protected against leaks there, which is great. Now, if you want more information on this portable ice making machine, please do check the link in the description. And thank you so much for watching this video.